Where, when, and how. India and the modern world. Lesson 1. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. The dash period of Indian history starts with the British conquest of India. Answer: modern. The modern period of Indian history starts with the British conquest of India. The Industrial Revolution started in dash around 1750. Answer is Britain. The Industrial Revolution started in Britain. Third, the dash period gave rise to scientific method of enquiry. Answer is Renaissance. The Renaissance period gave rise to the scientific method of enquiry. Second main, true or false? The demarcation of history into 3 periods is uniform all over the world. The answer is false. Number 2, the movement of people from rural area to towns and cities is known as urbanization. Answer is true. Third, the Industrial Revolution refers to producing goods on a large scale using machines. Answer is true. Number 4, the gateway of India is in Delhi. Answer is false. Third main, answer the following questions. Number 1, what are the characteristic features of the modern age? Answer: the characteristic features of the modern age were A. Industrialization, large-scale production of goods in an increasing number of factories. B. Urbanization, movement of people from villages to towns. C. Nationalism, patriotism. D. Democracy, government by the people. E. Socialism, a system where the state tries to ensure equitable distribution of wealth. F. Scientific and technological progress. G. Humanism, a great concern for human welfare and value. H. Exploration, the search for new lands and sea routes. Number 2, what is meant by the term Industrial Revolution? Answer: the Industrial Revolution was an economic revolution, brought about a sweeping change in the methods of production through mechanization in the 18th century CE. Increased the demand for products, as a result of which the system of artisans working from home with simple tools were replaced by the factory system, resulted in large machines producing much more of the same products faster and at a fraction of the cost. Third one, what is meant by nationalism? Answer: nationalism is a strong feeling of love, pride, and loyalty that people have for their country, patriotism, and a growing identification with one's homeland. Number 4, what are the ideals that became popular because of the French Revolution? Answer: the French Revolution gave birth to the ideals of liberty, equality, fraternity. Number 5, write in detail about the various sources of information of modern Indian history. Answer: the sources of information about modern Indian history are of 2 types. A. Primary sources, those that are original artifacts from archaeological sites, coins, monuments, inscriptions, travelogues, autobiographies, government reports, letters, photographs, maps, diaries. These are generally accessed from government museum and archives. B. Secondary sources. Second-hand accounts of events usually collected and put together by people who study the primary sources. Textbooks, biographies, magazines, newspapers, movies. Multiple choice questions. Which event marks the beginning of the modern period of Indian history? A. The death of Aurangzeb. B. The revolt of 1857. C. The beginning of the conquest of India by the British. D. The coming of the Europeans to India. The right answer is option C. The beginning of the conquest of India by the British. Number 2. The feeling of patriotism and a growing identification with one's homeland is called A. Humanism. B. Socialism. C. Democracy. D. Nationalism. The right answer is option D. Nationalism. Number 3. The Renaissance. A. Means rebirth. B. Thinkers try to rediscover the learning of the ancient Greeks and Romans. C. Encourage learning by observation and experimentation. D. All of the above. The right answer is means rebirth, that is A. Fourth, as a result of Industrial Revolution, A. The old system of artisans working at home with simple tools was replaced by factories where large machines produce the same goods. B. More goods were made at half the time but at double the cost. C. Trade came to a standstill as the goods made were too expensive. Option D. England became a colony of America. The right answer is option A. The old system of artisans working at home with simple tools was replaced by factories where large machines produce the same goods. Number 5. One of the main reasons why British could establish their rule over India was option A. Their superior intelligence. B. Their greater physical strength. Option C. The color of their skin. Option D. The rivalries between the Indian rulers. The right answer is option D. The rivalries between the Indian rulers. Number 6. Newspapers and magazines are A. Primary source of information. Option B. Secondary source of information. Option C. Both primary and secondary source of information. Option D. Neither a primary nor a secondary source of information. The right answer is option C. Both primary and secondary source of information. Number 7. The Gateway of India was built A. To commemorate the visit of Queen Victoria to Calcutta. Option B. To commemorate the visit of King George and Queen Mary to Bombay. Option C. In memory of Queen Victoria. Option D. In memory of the soldiers who died fighting in the world wars. The right answer is option B. to commemorate the visit of King George and Queen Mary to Bombay. That's it. We've come to the end. Thank you. God bless you.